Avoid these 3 public speaking mistakes. To boost your public speaking confidence, use these ideas. It is possible to get better at public speaking over time. If you want to gain greater confidence when speaking in front of an audience, you should avoid these 3 public speaking mistakes. 1. No eye contact. Making eye contact with your audience can keep them interested in your presentation and help you establish connection with them. It increases their sense of connection and personalizes your message for them. You'll appear more knowledgeable and reliable if you make eye contact. It is among the most important nonverbal communication techniques you should learn. 2. Using a script and reading it word for word. The audience is involved and brought into the experience when a speech is delivered with limited scripted notes. When you read word for word, your speech might sound like the voice of a robot, friendly but passive, artificial, and with little or no emotion. Your speech should be delivered with a natural voice and emotion. 3. Overshooting your time. How did you feel the last time a speaker exceeded their allotted time? Were you excited or upset about it? Did it have an impact on your upcoming appointment? Or did you leave before the speaker finished? Your audience will eventually grow restless if you continue speaking after your allotted time has passed. The next time that you want to speak before an audience, avoid these mistakes, and it would make you more effective as a public speaker. Remember to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more resourceful videos.